Hi, good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Janet Morales Morty, 36 years old, Catholic. I'm single mom. I have two kids. Their age is 16 years old and 10 years old. I live in Borabuti Street, Ikaw, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I have work experience in Philippines for 3 years. By member, I taking care the 5 years old. I main duty is to to prepare the foods and pick up and drop off and to maintain the cleanliness of house, ironing and wash the clothes and
Okay.
clean
How many family members you have served?
5 members.
Okay. How about I saw that you are ex Singapore.
I worked 1 year domestic helper at Singapore. I took the elderly Ama. She
Take
had
care.
dementia. I assist her for foods and to take blood pressure and take a medicine and go to the market and cook and take a bath and assist them to company to the
Hospital.
hospital.
Okay. Okay, I saw that you did not finish your 2 years contract here in Singapore. What is the reason?
My elderly employer was passed away.
Okay, so they don't need a helper?
Yes, because
Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is the nearest place in the Philippines and they offer high salary of domestic helper.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long as my employer they want me to work for them.
Okay. You want to work in Hong Kong. Is it okay to you to take care of newborn?
Yes,
How about elderly again?
yes,
Okay. Is it okay to you to cut your hair short?
yes,
Okay. If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
yes,
Okay. Is it okay to you to have alternate day off?
yes.
Do you have any allergy?
Donald.
Um, are you willing to share job with other helpers?
Yes,
Can you promise not to use cell phone
yes,
during working hours?
yes,
Okay. Are you prepared to eat the food that your employer provides?
yes,
Is it okay to you to share with kids or other family members?
yes.
Okay. What is your message to your future
I
employer?
message to my new employer, my future employer. I'm I'm honest and trustworthy. I will do my best to be a good helper.
Okay. Before we end this video, can you tell me, do you know how to prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay. How can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of a
Uh,
newborn baby?
First, I wash my hands. Then I
Okay.
boil.
Next,
I wash my hands and sanitize my hands. Then boil the water from the bottle
bottled milk.
milks.
Okay.
Then I check the temperature of the water and then shake and check uh, check a milk bottle of the temperature and feed the
Feed the baby. If the baby is crying, what would you do?
uh, I feed the baby, then I check the temperature of the body of the baby. Then if if she cry, then I check the body of
Temperature.
temperature.
Okay. If still crying, what would you do?
Uh, I call the mom and sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. M5842 Miss Janet.